Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 10 in my series on the English language. In video 9, we looked at greetings and introductions. I have attached a plain text document in the box below. If you print this, you will be able to follow today's lesson. In video 9, some of the words were underlined. In line 1, Tom says, "Hello, my name is Tom. What is your name?" "Hello, my name is Nick. What is your name?" "Hello, my name is Nick. What is your name?" In the second line, Mike says, "Hi Tom, my name is Mike. This girl is my friend. Her name is Lucy." My name, your name, her name. Later on, Tom says, "This is my friend. His name is Paolo. His name is Paolo." A girl, her name. A boy, his name. My name, your name, her name, his name. My, your, her, his. Now, we will go to the desk and I will show you some more. Hello, my name is Tom. What is your name? My name, your name. Hi Tom, my name is Mike. This girl is my friend. Her name is Lucy. Girl. Her name. My name, your name, her name. This is my friend. His name is Paolo. Paolo is a man's name. His name. My name, your name, his name, her name. In this line, Tom says, "I'm from Slovenia. And you?" Look at this. I'm. What is this? This is a mark called an apostrophe. It is used when a letter is left out. I'm from Slovenia. We could also write I am from Slovenia. Lucy says, I'm from England. She could say, I am from England. Mike says, I'm from Canada. He could say, I am from Canada. It is normal when we are speaking to use the short form. In conversation, we will normally say, I'm from Slovenia, I'm from Pakistan, I'm from Germany. We will not so often say, I am from. We will see more of this in the next video. Well done. That's all for now. Don't forget, if you like my videos, to subscribe. You can do this by clicking on the button below. If you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, don't forget to hit the bell. Goodbye for now.